Good morning, this is Kenley Eugene. This is my video presentation on ICT. I'm going to discuss the three types of loop, which is while loop, do while loop, and for loop. First is while loop. In the most computer programming language, a while loop controls the flow statement that allow code to be executed rapidly based on the given Boolean condition. The while loops can be true of us repeating of statement. This is an example of while loop. Let's run it and see what will happen. As you can see, after running the program, it will ask you to enter your name. If you press enter without entering your name, it will pop up the message saying, "Error, please enter your name." If you press it once again, it will pop up the same message saying, "Please enter your name." The program won't end until the condition is met. But if you finally enter your name, it will say hello and the name you enter, like this. Mana? While loop. A while loop is a control of flow statement that execute block of code and then either repeat the block or exit the loop depending on giving Boolean's condition. This is an example of loop. This program sum all the enter number until you enter 0. So let's run this program and see how it works. After running, it will ask you to enter number, any number, if it's positive or negative. And the program will end if we entered 0. Let's add 1, 2, 3, and negative 4. And let's enter 0 to see what is the sum of the entered number. The sum of the entered number is 2. And that's how it works. And the last one is for loop. For loop function by running a section of code rapidly until the certain condition has been satisfied. Of for loops. Let's run it and see what will happen. As you can see, it counts it 0, 50. But we can make it 1 to 100. You can also make it 500. As you
you can see, it already count 0 to 50. 500. So ma'am, thank you.